This is everything you need to know about how to clean your car. Hey, I'm Molly. Cleaning your car can take multiple steps to thoroughly clean both exterior and interior. So here are our top tips to keep your car clean and tidy. So let's get into it. Begin by removing all rubbish and personal items. Remove the mats and use a vacuum to easily remove dirt, rocks and hair. Vacuum the seats, carpet, mats and boot to get rid of any dirt, dog hair and dust. If your car has light dust or dirt, use a designated automotive interior car cleaner to clean your surfaces, as this will lift residue, leaving the surface completely dry. Or use warm water and a microfiber cloth to clean the dashboard, console and door panel. After cleaning, you might want to apply a protectant. These products can help to protect the materials from UV rays, reduce dust accumulation, and give the dashboard and door panels a fresh look. Using a suitable window cleaner, wipe down all your windows and mirrored surfaces. Use an upholstery cleaner for fabric seats and a leather cleaner and conditioner for leather seats. Before applying, make sure to follow the instructions on the bottle. When it comes to cleaning your exterior, ensure you wash your car in a shaded spot to avoid quick drying and water spots. First, rinse the car with a high pressure hose to remove loose dirt. Pay special attention to the undercarriage and wheel wells. Wash the car from the top of the roof to the bottom of the car using a car shampoo and a microfiber wash mitt, sponge or cleaning tool. A great hack for cleaning is using a 2-bucket system. Use one for the cleaning solution and one for rinsing. Clean the wheels and tyres with a dedicated wheel cleaner and a brush. Scrub the hubcaps and the wheels to remove the dirt, grease, oil brake dust and any other matter you've driven on. Now thoroughly rinse the car and dry with a chamois. For an instant shine and a long-lasting finish, apply a liquid polish. Pour the polish onto a microfiber cloth and wipe the product one panel at a time. Use a clean microfiber cloth for the final wipe off for an instant shine. And for the final touch, add an air freshener for a longer lasting scent. Remember that regular cleaning not only maintains the appearance of your car, but also the value over time. And there you have it, the steps for a perfectly clean car. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.